Introducing WpBookingly, the ultimate WordPress booking plugin that transforms your service business with effortless scheduling and powerful management. Create a seamless booking experience with a mobile-friendly interface. Clients can browse unlimited services, view descriptions, and pick perfect time slots in seconds. Offer unlimited services with rich descriptions, stunning images, and optional extras, letting clients tailor their bookings to boost your revenue. Master your schedule with flexible time slots, buffer times, and holiday settings. Automatic capacity limits ensure you're never overbooked. With Pro, manage your team effortlessly. Assign staff to services, set custom schedules, and give them dashboards for seamless service delivery. Stay connected with automated email notifications in the free version, or upgrade to Pro for SMS reminders and custom templates to reduce no-shows. Unlock powerful insights with Pro's built-in analytics and CSV PDF exports, tracking bookings, revenue, and client trends to grow smarter. Integrate with WooCommerce for secure payments, supporting global gateways and both free and Pro, plus Pro's advanced deposit and subscription options. Go Pro for game changers: Google Calendar Sync, PDF invoices, recurring bookings, Zapier integration, and more to scale your business. WpBookingly, simplify bookings, manage services, and grow effortlessly. Get WpBookingly today at WpBookingly.com.